हेलो एवरीवन, आशा करते हैं आप सभी अच्छे हैं। आज इस क्लास में हम बात करेंगे रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पैसेज 10। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। डिस्क्लेमर: द images used in a slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एक पैसेज दिया गया है, चलिए पढ़ते हैं। In modern time, Abraham Lincoln stands as the model of a compassionate statesman. तो मॉडर्न टाइम में जो है अब्राहम लिंकन ने कैसे स्टैंड किया? एज द मॉडल ऑफ अ कंपैशनेट। कंपैशनेट का मतलब जुनूनी स्टेट्समैन। स्टेट्समैन क्या है? पॉलिटिशियन। ही शोड दिस क्वालिटी नॉट ओनली इन स्ट्राइविंग फॉर द इमांसिपेशन ऑफ द अमेरिकन ब्लैक्स। उसने जो शो की है क्वालिटी, ना कि केवल किसमें? स्ट्राइविंग। स्ट्राइविंग का मतलब भाग दौड़ करना, किसको लेके? फॉर द इमांसिपेशन। इमांसिपेशन का मतलब क्या होता है? रिलीज कर देना। Of the American blacks, but in the dignity with which he conducted the American Civil War. बल्कि और किसमें? In the dignity with which he conducted the American Civil War. Lincoln did not fancy himself as a liberator. He thought it would be better for all if emancipation was a gradual process spread over many years. He proposed compensation. उसने propose किया किसको लेके? Compensation को लेके, किसको लेके? For slave owners in US bonds and grants for the rehabilitation of blacks. Colonization, as they called it, but faith was to deem otherwise. The haste with which the South wanted to break away from the Union with the North compelled him to move faster than he expected. Perhaps more than most men of his time, he had thought through this issue of slavery. We must free the slaves, he said. उसने कहा कि हमें क्या कर देना चाहिए? फ्री कर देना चाहिए किसको? स्लेव्स को, he said. Or be ourselves subdued. Before reading the first draft of the Proclamation of Emancipation, he told his colleagues, in giving freedom to the slaves, we assure freedom to the free. On September 22, 1862, Lincoln set his hand on the Proclamation of Emancipation, declaring that on the first day of January 1863, all persons held as slaves within any state shall be then and forever free. Lincoln's revulsion for slavery left him without any moral indignation or passion against the slave owners. The guilt of the slave owners, he felt, should be shared by the whole country, the North and the South, for it seemed to him that everyone in the nation was an accomplice in perpetuating that system. To have whipped up any hatred against slave owners would, to him, have been an act of malice. I shall do nothing in malice, he wrote. What I deal with is too vast for malicious dealing. As the Civil War was coming to a successful conclusion, a Northerner demanded for Lincoln, Mr. President, how are you going to treat the Southerners when the war is over? Lincoln replied, as if they never went to war. When the news came of the victory of the Northern against the Confederate forces, someone suggested that the head of the Confederation administration, Jefferson Davis, really ought to be hanged. Judge not that ye be not judged. Lincoln replied, as to the demand for the prosecution of rebels, Lincoln replied, we must extinguish our resentments if we expect harmony and union. This was his last recorded utterance. तो आई होप आप पैसेज समझ चुके हैं। क्वेश्चन है, अकॉर्डिंग टू लिंकन द कल्प्रिट्स ऑफ द सिस्टम ऑफ स्लेवरी वर। ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं। 1, द स्लेवर ओनर्स अलोन। 2, द स्लेव्स अलोन। 3, both the slaves and the slave owners। 4, all the people in the country। एंड 5 नन ऑफ द अबव। तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही चुनाव करना है। सही चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आई होप आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है 4, ऑल द पीपल इन द कंट्री। सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, इन द पैसेज लिंकन एक्सप्रेसेस द व्यू दैट द गिल्ट एसोसिएटेड विद द सिस्टम ऑफ स्लेवरी शुड बी शेयर्ड बाय द एंटायर नेशन। तो पैसेज में क्या कहा गया है? लिंकन ने एक्सप्रेस किया द व्यू दैट द गिल्ट एसोसिएटेड विद द सिस्टम, जो गिल्ट है, जो कि एसोसिएटेड है विद द सिस्टम ऑफ स्लेवरी, जो स्लेवरी का जो सिस्टम है, शुड बी शेयर्ड, उसे शेयर किया जाना चाहिए बाय द एंटायर नेशन, both North and South. He believed that everyone was complicit in perpetuating the institution of slavery, not just the slave owners. This perspective is reflected in his assertion that to incite hatred against slave owners would be an act of malice, suggesting that he viewed the issue as a collective moral failing of society rather than the fault of individuals alone. Therefore, the passage indicates that Lincoln held the belief that all people in the country bore some responsibility for the existence of slavery. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। The same passage. Which of the following statements is true in the context of the passage? Options are given below. Options नीचे दिए गए हैं। 1. Lincoln hated the demand of hanging Jefferson Davis. 2. Lincoln turned down the demand of the prosecution of rebels. 3. Lincoln wondered how mere compassion could lead to harmony. 4. The Civil War was fought by the Northerners and Southerners against the enemies. 5. None of the above. तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही चुनाव करना है। सही चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है 2. लिंकन टर्न डाउन टू द डिमांड ऑफ द प्रोसिक्यूशन ऑफ रेबल्स। सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, इन द पैसेज लिंकन इज quoted in response to a suggestion that Jefferson Davis should be hanged, saying, "Judge not that ye be not judged." He also emphasizes the need to extinguish our resentments if we expect harmony and union. This indicates that he rejected the idea of punishing the rebels harshly, showing his preference for reconciliation over retribution. The other statements either misrepresent Lincoln's view or do not accurately reflect the content of the passage. Therefore, option 2 accurately captures Lincoln's stance on the prosecution of rebels, making it the true statement in the context of the passage. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। The same passage. क्वेश्चन है, the incidents in the passage prove that Lincoln was, ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं। ऑप्शन 1, not a firm administrator. 2, afraid of the majority of slaves. 3, unduly concerned for the safety of the rebels. 4, sympathetic and kind-hearted statesman. 5, unreasonably in favor of slaves. तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है 4, सिंपैथेटिक एंड काइंड हार्टेड स्टेट्समैन। सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, द पैसेज illustrates Lincoln's compassion through his approach to emancipation and his conduct during the Civil War. He emphasized unity and reconciliation rather than vengeance, stating, "We must extinguish our resentments if we expect harmony and union." His reluctance to harbor malice toward slave owners and his belief that the guilt of slavery should be shared by the entire nation demonstrate his emphatic perspective. Lincoln's willingness to consider gradual emancipation and compensation for slave owners alongside his moral stance that giving freedom to the enslaved also ensures freedom for everyone, underscores his kindness and understanding. Thus, the incidents in the passage collectively portray Lincoln as a sympathetic and kind-hearted statesman committed to justice and harmony. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। Question number 4, same passage. The term colonization as used in the passage means options 1. Making separate dwelling arrangements for slave owners. 2. Rehabilitation arrangements made for slave owners. 3. Efforts made by American blacks to free themselves. 4. Handing over slaves to the slave owners. 5. None of the above. तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करना है। सही ऑप्शन का चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है 5. नन ऑफ द अबव। सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, इन द पैसेज द टर्म colonization refers to Lincoln's idea of providing a means of freed slaves to relocate and establish new lives outside the United States, which was a concept discussed during his time as a potential solution for addressing the issue of slavery and integration of freed individuals into society. This approach was not about separate dwelling arrangements for slave owners or rehabilitation of slave owners, but rather about creating opportunities for African Americans to build their lives independently, often in other countries. The options provided do not accurately capture this meaning of colonization as discussed in the context of Lincoln's proposals. Therefore, none of the above is the appropriate choice. Question 5, the same passage. The author of the passage seems to be. तो जो ऑथर है पैसेज का वो कैसा प्रतीत होता है? ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं। 1. A staunch and biased critic of Abraham Lincoln. 2. An advocate of the system of slavery. 3. An opponent of the system of slavery. 4. Indifferent to Lincoln's remarkable achievements. 5. Impressed with Lincoln's good qualities. दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही चुनाव करना है। सही चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है 5. इम्प्रेस विद लिंकन्स गुड क्वालिटीज। सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, the passage presents a positive view of Abraham Lincoln, highlighting his compassion, moral integrity, and thoughtful approach to the issues of slavery and the Civil War. The author emphasizes Lincoln's desire for unity and reconciliation rather than vengeance, showcasing his dignity in leadership and his commitment to the emancipation of slaves. Phrases like Lincoln stands as the model of a compassionate statesman, and his emphasis on healing the nation reflect admiration for his qualities and actions. The author does not express criticism or indifference. Instead, the tone suggests a deep respect for Lincoln's character and the way he navigated the complexities of his time. This admiration indicates that the author is indeed impressed with Lincoln's good qualities. Question number 6, the same passage. Which of the following makes Abraham Lincoln a compassionate statesman? Options are given below. Options नीचे दिए गए हैं. 1. His hesitation in striving for emancipation of American blacks. 2. His indifference in conducting the American Civil War. 3. His efforts to force the American blacks from slavery. 5. His efforts to conclude the American Civil War without dignity. And 5. None of the above. तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही चुनाव करना है। सही चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपका चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर है 5. नन ऑफ द अबव। सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, इन द पैसेज Abraham Lincoln is depicted as a compassionate statesman, primarily due to his thoughtful and humane approach to the issues of slavery and the Civil War. His compassion is illustrated through his desire for gradual emancipation, his reluctance to harbor malice towards slave owners, and his commitment to unity and reconciliation after the war. He sought to avoid hatred and promote harmony, indicating a deep understanding of the complexities involved and a moral stance that prioritizes compassion over retribution. The other options either mischaracterize Lincoln's actions or suggest negative traits that do not align with the passage's portrayal of him as a leader guided by empathy and dignity. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं. Question number 7, the same passage. Question है, what came in Lincoln's way of carrying out emancipation as a gradual process? Options दिए गए हैं. Option 1, the haste of the South to break away from the Union with the North. Second, the inadequate compensation given to the slave owners. 3, his own over enthusiasm to complete the process fast. 4, his proposition to give grant for the rehabilitation of slaves. 5, none of the above. तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही चुनाव करना है. सही चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा. आपका समय शुरू होता है अब. आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही है. करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं. करेक्ट आंसर है 1, द हैस्ट ऑफ द साउथ टू ब्रेक अवे फ्रॉम द यूनियन विद द नॉर्थ. सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, in the passage it is noted that the urgency with which the South sought to secede from the Union forced Lincoln to accelerate his plans for emancipation. He initially envisioned a gradual process of emancipation, complete with compensation for slave owners and support for the rehabilitation of freed individuals. However, the imminent threat of disunion and the Civil War's escalation compelled him to act more swiftly than he had anticipated. This external pressure disrupted his preferred method of implementing emancipation, demonstrating how the political and social climate influenced his decisions. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं. करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं. अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं. The same passage. The sentence, in giving freedom to the slaves, we assure freedom to the free. Last sentence of para 2 means. Options दिए गए हैं. By freeing slaves, we are honoring the concept of freedom. 2. By freeing slaves, we are safeguarding our own interest. 3. If we give freedom to the slaves, they will serve us better. 4. If we do not give freedom to the slaves, they will free themselves. 5. None of the above. तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही चुनाव करना है. सही चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा. आपका समय शुरू होता है अब. आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही है. करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं. करेक्ट आंसर है 1. बाय फ्रीइंग स्लेव्स वी आर ऑनरिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ फ्रीडम. सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, in the passage, Lincoln emphasizes the moral imperative of freeing the slaves as a way to ensure freedom for all. He sees the act of emancipation not just as a political necessity, but as a fundamental principle that aligns with the values of freedom and justice. His statement, in giving freedom to the slaves, we assure freedom to the free, reflects the idea that true freedom cannot be fully realized while slavery exists. By liberating the enslaved, he believes they affirm the very essence of freedom itself, thereby honoring the concept that underpins the nation's ideals. This aligns with Lincoln's broader vision of unity and compassion, as he seeks to reconcile a nation divided by the institution of slavery. He approaches the issue not with malice but with a sense of moral duty, indicating that the liberation of slaves is integral to the freedom of the entire nation. आशा करते हैं आप समझ चुके हैं। अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, द सेम पैसेज। Lincoln's reply to the Northerners' question regarding the treatment to Southerners proved that. Options are given below. Options नीचे दिए गए हैं. Option 1, the Southerners were quick in their dealings. 2, Lincoln did not have revengeful attitude towards the Southerners. 3, the Northerners were in favor of Southerners. 4, Lincoln did not like the Southerners' act of breaking away from the Union with the North. 5, Lincoln could control his anguish against the Southerners while expressing himself. तो दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही चुनाव करना है। सही चुनाव करने के लिए आपको 10 सेकंड का समय दिया जाएगा। आपका समय शुरू होता है अब। आशा करते हैं आपको चुनाव सही है। करेक्ट आंसर की ओर बढ़ते हैं। करेक्ट आंसर इज 2, लिंकन डिड नॉट हैव अ रिवेंजफुल एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स द सदर्नर्स। सोल्यूशन की अगर बात करें, इन द पैसेज व्हेन अ नॉर्थर्नर्स आस्क लिंकन हाउ ही विल ट्रीट द सदर्नर्स आफ्टर द वॉर, लिंकन रिप्लाइज एज इफ they never went to war. This response clearly indicates his desire for reconciliation and healing rather than seeking revenge or harboring animosity against those who fought for the Confederacy. His approach reflects a commitment to unity and compassion, showing that he preferred to move forward without holding grudges. The other options either misinterpret Lincoln's attitude or suggest a negative view of the Southerners, which the passage does not support. Thus, option 2 accurately captures Lincoln's stance. आशा करते हैं आपने इस सेशन से काफी कुछ सीखा। फिर से मुलाकात करेंगे किसी अन्य सेशन में। तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद।